Welcome to NM Arena. In this video, we are going to discuss how to solve certain problems in geometric progression. Let us see what is a geometric mean. If three numbers are in geometric progression, then the middle number is the geometric mean between the first number and the last number. Similarly, if 4 or 5 numbers are in geometric progression, then all the middle numbers in between the first term and the last term are the geometric means between them. In the first case, B is the geometric mean between A and C, and in the second case, B, C, D, E, F are the geometric means between the first term, that is A, and the last term, that is G. Suppose we are asked to solve a question as to find the geometric mean between 2 and 8. So, when we are asked to find the geometric mean between 2 and 8, there will be three numbers in that series. 2 is the first term, and the second term is the geometric mean that we are asked to find, and the third term will be 8. So, what all things are given? T1 is 2, T3 is 8, and T2 has to be found out. That is the second term or the middle term, which is the geometric mean. Now, A is 2 or the first term. And the formula to be used is Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. And the number of terms here is 3. So, the third term T3 is equal to 2 into R raised to 3 minus 1. And we know that the third term is 8. So, 8 is equal to 2 into R raised to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. That we know. So, 8 is equal to 2 into R square. And then R square is equal to 8 divided by 2. This 2 is taken to this side and it is dividing this 8. And then R is equal to square root of 4. That means R can be either plus 2 or minus 2. When we take off this square root, that number may be either positive or negative. So R may be plus 2 or minus 2. Now we can apply this R value to find the second term. T2 is equal to 2 into 2 raised to 1 is equal to 4. So we can understand that the geometric mean or the middle number in this case is 4. And then in the second case where R is taken as minus 2, then 2 into minus 2 whole raised to 1. Here in this case we can understand that the middle number or the geometric mean will be minus 4. So we get two answers. First answer is by taking R is equal to 2. When we are taking R is equal to plus 2, we get the second term as 4. And when we are taking the R as minus 2, we get the second term as minus 4. Thus, the geometric mean between 2 and 8 may be either plus 4 or minus 4. No additional information is given for us to choose whether it is plus 4 or minus 4. So we can conclude that it can be either plus 4 or minus 4. Now let us try to insert 5 geometric means between 2 and 1458. So, inserting 5 geometric means between two numbers makes the total number of terms into 7. The first term is 2 that we know, and the last term is 7 or the seventh term T7. In between we have to insert 5 geometric means. So n is 7 and the first term a is 2. Now we have to apply this formula. Tn is equal to a into r raised to minus 1. Now we know that T7 is equal to 2 into r raised to 7 minus 1. And T7 is given as 1458. So that is equal to 2 into r raised to 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now this 2 can be taken to the other side and 1458 is divided by 2, that is equal to r raised to 6. Hence 729 is equal to r raised to 6. Now we have to find that what raised to 6 is 729. For this, in one of our previous videos, we have explained how to do this division. Here we can understand that r raised to 6 is equal to 3 raised to 6. That means 6 times when we multiply 3, we get 729. If we multiply 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, the answer will be 729. So 3 raised to 6 is equal to 729, and that is also equal to r raised to 6. When the power is equal, r must be equal to 3. And so r may be equal to either plus 3 or minus 3, because 6 times plus 3 multiplied is equal to 729. Similarly, if we multiply minus 3 into minus 3 6 times, that is also equal to 729. So r may be either plus 3 or minus 3. Now by taking r as plus 3, we can apply this formula to find each of these terms. T2 may be T2 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to 1 is equal to 6, and T3 may be 18 by applying the same formula. T4 may be 54, T5 may be 162, T6 may be 486. So how many terms are required? We can find it because now A, R and N are known. And if r is equal to minus 3, then the terms will be T2 will be minus 6, T3 will be 18. That is 2 into minus 3 raised to 2. That is minus 3 into minus 3 into 2 will be 18. And T4 will be minus 54. And T5 will be 162. T6 will be minus 486. So the 5 geometric means between 2 and 1458 may be either 6, 18, 54, 162, 486, or it can also be minus 6, 18, minus 54, 162 and minus 486. Either of these terms may be the geometric means between the given two numbers. Now let us consider a question. A ball rebounces 4/5 of the height from which it has fallen. Find how far the ball travels before coming to rest if it is thrown vertically upward to a height of 50 meters. So we have to find out the total distance travelled by the ball before coming to rest. That is given here. Let us see how this is obtained. When a ball is thrown upward 50 meters, it has to come down that 50 meters, and then it rebounds 4/5 of the height from which it has fallen. So it has fallen from 50 meters. When it rebounds, it will have to go up to 50 into 4 by 5 meters. When it goes this much distance, the same distance it has to travel down 50 into 4 by 5. Next time again it rebounds 50 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 meters. Then it has to come down the same distance. The same thing continues until the ball reaches its resting position. So into 4 by 5 is multiplied all the time the ball rebounds until it comes to the resting position. So we are asked to find the total distance travelled by the ball. Here this is an infinite GP, as we cannot count the number of times. We cannot count how much time or how many times the ball has rebounced until it has come to rest. Now see, let us see. So far we can count it. 50 meters plus 50 meters, 50 plus 50, then 50 into 4 by 5 plus 50 into 4 by 5, that is given 50 into 4 by 5 plus 50 into 4 by 5. Now the next one going up and coming down, 50 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 plus 50 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5, and that continues until infinity. let us calculate the total distance traveled by the ball before coming to rest. This is the total distance traveled by the ball before coming to rest. Now, this is neither in AP nor in GP. So, we have to convert it into a GP. For this purpose, we can divide it into two series. One series is the distance traveled by the ball when it is going up, and the other series is the distance traveled by the ball when it is coming down. Then it will be in GP. The first term will be 50, second term will be 50 into 4 by 5. That is a common ratio is multiplied. And next time, one more into 4 by 5 is there. That common ratio is coming for the next term. So this is in GP. And when it is coming down the same way it is going, the common ratio is 4 by 5. So when the both the series are the same, we can take 1 and multiply it with 2 instead of adding it 2 times, or instead of applying the same formula 2 times. In order to simplify it, we can find the sum using the formula and multiply it with 2. Both are infinite GP with A is equal to 50 and R is equal to 4 by 5. That is the common ratio. And the formula to find the sum of an infinite GP is A divided by 1 minus R. Since it has to be multiplied 2 times, we can put it as 2 into A divided by 1 minus R. So 50 divided by 1 minus R is 4 by 5. And that is into 2 times is equal to 100 divided by 1 by 5, and when 100 divided by 1 by 5, this 5 will come up as 100 into 5, that is 500. Now the total distance travelled by the ball before coming to rest is 500 meters. That is how we find the total distance travelled by the ball, which travels in an infinite GP series. Now that we have discussed how to solve certain problems in geometric progression, we are ending this video lecture here. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos you can subscribe the channel.